Hey guys, welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We have another pumpkin recipe for you today. So we are going to make pumpkin waffles with buttermilk syrup. Are you gonna help cook? You baby chef? Yeah, gonna help? Yeah, baking soda, good job. Yeah, good cooking. Good cooking. All right guys, so for this recipe, we're gonna start out with 1 cup of milk. Do you wanna help? Great job. Yeah, stir up the milk. Good job, buddy. A cup of flour. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're gonna do a heaping teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh, good job, buddy. And then we are also going to add 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. If you have pumpkin pie mix, just make sure to leave out the pumpkin spice, but you can still use that. And then we're going to add a dash of salt. Yeah, good mixing. Hang on.
Okay.
And then we are just going to whisk this all together. Yeah, good helping. All right, guys, you want to mix your batter until it's pretty smooth. As you can see, I still have a few more lumps in there, but overall it's a pretty smooth batter. So as soon as your batter has been mixed up and you got all the lumps out and your waffle iron has been heated up, you want to spray it. And then we are going to add about 1/2 cup of the waffle batter onto each of the squares in the waffle iron. And then we'll just let it cook. All right, the light has turned green, so let's check out our waffles. Ooh, those look so good. Look at super crispy on the outside, but still soft on the inside. I can tell as I'm poking them with a fork. So we're gonna get started on our buttermilk syrup. So we are adding 2/3 of a cup of buttermilk. We're also going to mix in 2/3 of a cup of sugar and then 5 tablespoons of butter. We are just going to cook that, simmer it on kind of a medium heat until it all melts down together. Okay, once we've got this off of the heat, we are going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we are going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we are just gonna whisk that together. You'll see it'll start to get all frothy and yummy. Check it out. And once you're ready to eat, you can just drizzle that frothy buttermilk syrup right over your pumpkin pancakes. Looks yummy.